Hello there, welcome to the October 2020 paper. Here we're looking at question 12. An advertising agency is modelling the number of views of an online advert. The equation log 10 of V is equal to 0.072t plus 2.379 is used to model the total number of views of the advert V in the first t days after the advert went live. Show that V equals AB to the power of t, where A and B are constants to be found. Okay, so what we're going to do is rearrange this little equation here. Log 10 of V equals 0.072 t plus 2.379. A and B, A to the nearest whole number and B to three significant figures. Okay. So the way we get rid of this log base 10 and just get it to V is to do 10 to the power of both sides. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 10 to the power of both sides. So it's going to be equal to 10 to the power of 0.072 t plus 2.379. Now I'm going to use one of the rules of indices. If you're adding indices together, you've evidently times it with the same base. So it's going to be times 10 to the 2.379. The next thing I'm going to do is factorize out this t from the top and write it as 10 to the power of 0.072 to the power of t times 10 to the 2.379. And now it's our time to work out what these two values are. 10 to the power of 0.072 on the calculator will give us 1.18. So three significant figures times, and then 10 to the power of 2.379 is going to be 239. So therefore A is equal to 239 and B is equal to 1.18. So there we are, that's the answer to part A. Let's move on to part B now. So the equation was V equals 239 times 1.18 to the power of t. Okay, interpret the value of A, interpret with reference to the model the value of AB. Okay, so AB will effectively be when the power on the B is 1, so it's going to be the number of views after 1 day of the advert going live. Okay, so there we are. Using this model calculates the total number of views of the advert in the first 20 days after the advert went live. Okay, so the model, does the model work out the total number of views? The model is used the total number of views. Okay, good. So let's just plug in now t equals 20. And it's going to be 239 times 1.18 to the power of 20. And if we plug that in, that's going to equal 6,500 to two significant figures. So there we are, 6,600 is the answer to part C there, and that's the answer to question 12. So that's all we need to do for that one. Let's now move on to question 13.